my channel. In today's video, I am going to do this Diwali 2019 makeup tutorial, and this is how the makeup turned out. If you guys would like to see how I created this makeup look using all drugstore products, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to take this Aroma Magic toner. To moisturize my face, I am taking this Innisfree Aloe Soothing Gel. Then I am going to use this Aroma Magic Under Eye Cream onto my eyes. Taking tiniest amount onto my ring finger and blending both of them together. Today I am going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I am in the shade Desert Beige, and this shade is such a good match for my skin tone. And then I am blending everything using my Blue Heaven Beauty Sponge. I'm going to apply a little bit onto my neck as well. Then I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Beige, and I'm going to highlight my face using this. And I'm going to blend this with my sponge. Then I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm going to apply this wherever I have applied concealer, and I'm going to bake with this. I'm removing the foundation from my lips because I don't want to look like a zombie in the entire video. Again, I'm going to take this Maybelline concealer and I'm going to apply this on top of my eyelid. Moving on to the eye makeup, I am going to take Miss Claire Single Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade 0508, and this is such a nice shade of red. It almost looks like a maroon. Taking this shade on my brush, dusting off the excess, and I'm going to apply this shade on top of my eyelid. I'm going to take this brown color onto my brush, and then I'm going to apply this color onto my crease. I'm going to take this lighter brown color onto my brush and I'm going to blend all the harsh edges using this color. Then I'm going to pick up this red shade again and I'm going to apply this on top of the eyelid. I'm applying this same shade onto my waterline as well. Then I'm going to pick up this very light beige color onto my brush, dusting off the excess, and I'm going to apply this onto my brow bone area. I went off camera and I filled in my eyebrows using this gray color. Now I'm going to take this red color and I'm applying that onto my lower lash line. I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to dust away all the excess powder. Picking this brown shade from my Wet n Wild palette. I'm applying Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara onto my lashes. Then I'm going to apply this Savannah Colors eyeshadow as a highlighter onto my face. Picking this onto a fluffy brush and voila. Taking a smaller brush, I'm going to apply this onto the tip of my nose, onto the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone, and a little bit onto my forehead. Now I'm going to apply lashes off camera and I will be right back. So I'm back with my lashes and now I'm going to apply Maybelline Nude Nuance lipstick onto my lips. This is such a stunning nude color. I love this shade. So I added a bindi and I also popped some earrings, and this is how the completed makeup looks like. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then do not forget to give this video a like. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. A very happy Diwali to everyone, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.